Hey, what's up, you guys? Today I'm coming at you with my June 2019 Boxycharm unboxing. I just got this in the mail today. I literally met the post office person outside, the mailman. I don't know why I couldn't think of that. Met them outside, picked this up. I swear it was like subscription box day for this household. My mom got like 2 boxes that she signed up for. I got my Boxycharm. Super excited. Let's jump into it. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a $22 a month subscription service where you get 5 full-size beauty items. I'll leave a link in the description down below if you want to go sign up or at least check it out. But without further ado, let's jump into it. I've been pretty satisfied past months with my items I've gotten in the boxes. In fact, today on my eyes, I'm wearing the Ciate cream eyeshadow that I got in last month's box. Super glittery, beautiful, and paired it with the Naked 3 palette from Urban Decay. Anyway, let's get into it. So I opened the box. This is what is inside. Let me get a good glimpse. You get a card that kind of tells you everything you've gotten in the box. The theme this month is Boxycharm Getaway. And this is what's inside the box. Let's get into it. The first thing that I see is actually open. I don't know if the box just got broken or what. But this is from Touch in Soul. It's the No Poreblem Prime Essence. I've really liked the original No Poreblem Primer. I've used it as a sample before. This is what the product looks like. You get 1.01 fluid ounces, and it's a primer. Let's see what it says. It says it's infused with calendula officinalis flower extract, and it tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. It retails for $23, so already you've made up the price of the box itself, and this is just the first item. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's very liquidy. So let's swatch it, I guess. So yeah, very liquidy, kind of watery almost. Let's rub it in. It doesn't feel very sticky or anything like that. But I don't know. I wonder how this will be under foundation because it doesn't seem to really be super thick or anything, which is what I'm kind of used to in a primer, I guess. So I'll be curious to try that out. Like I said, I do really like the original No Poreblem primer that comes in like a pump bottle. So I'm excited to try this out. Then I have a lip pencil from Dirty Little Secret, I guess. It's a lip liner. And it retails for $15. This color is pale pink, it says. So, from the, nub here, the little nub, I feel like it's a color that I will use. It kind of reminds me of either Max Whirl or Soar. Those are my 2, favorite lip liners that I use on, a daily basis. So let's get this open. I always hate, I love that things are sealed, but I always hate the seal for lip liners and eyeliners, things like that. They're just so tedious. Okay. So this is what the pencil looks like. It's a little lighter than the nub makes you think. But it's a little dry, but I wonder on the lips if it'll be the same. So that's the color right there. It's a nice color. I mean, I've never heard of this brand before, but it looks like you get a lot of product. The pencil's very long. And yeah, I don't really have much else to say. The card doesn't really say anything. It just says that it's a lip liner and it's gonna help you, line your lips pretty much. So, excited to try that out. It's a brand I've never heard of before. So, excited for that. Then I have another lip product. This is from Dominique Cosmetics. It's a, does it say? I don't know, but it's in the shade Peach Tea. So let's open it. Oh, it looks like a lip gloss. So it's the Lemonade lip gloss, I believe, from Dominique in the shade Peach Tea. Retails for $17. It says it's a sheer gloss that's long-lasting and flexible, so you can wear it alone or layered over your favorite lipstick. So I just put this lipstick on. This is the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Liquid Lip in the shade Swag. So I'm going to pop a little bit on the top just to see what it looks like. This is what the applicator looks like. Kind of just your normal flat one. It does feel nice. Not like super gloppy or anything. Ooh, that's kind of cute. But yeah, it does feel nice. It doesn't feel super sticky or anything like that. And it is a cute color. So I'm not really the biggest lip gloss person. I only really have maybe like 2 or 3 lip glosses in more nude shades. But this might be nice for summer just to have something to throw in my purse in a more like peachy tone. So yeah, excited for that. But it probably wouldn't be something that I would go out and buy myself. The next thing I've got is a highlighter from Steve Laurent. Or it says it's a jelly highlighter, but it's in a pan. So we'll see what the texture is like. I've never heard of this Steve Laurent brand before. Let's see. It says its jelly highlighter formula is bouncy, lightweight, blendable, water resistant, and so fun to use. Watch it glide on with ease using your favorite brush or dab it on with your finger for an effortless glow. And it retails for $26. I don't know if the packaging, like I feel like this is not worth $26, but let's see. So this is in the shade Cotton Candy. It is a beautiful color. But it does have that texture like ColourPop. Ooh. Ho, 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 ho. Okay, let's pop some of this on the face. I need it on my face right now. Okay, let's try it. I've already got a significant glow going on, but let's try it over that. Ho, ho, ho. This is really pretty. $26 pretty? I don't think so, but whoo. All right, let's even it out here. Sorry, my mirror is like sitting right behind the camera. So I'm just trying to, because I do have to work today. I actually need to kind of look a little presentable and not crazy. But I don't know. It is pretty. I'd have to try it when I don't have any other highlighter on. It has that same texture as like a ColourPop, like Super Shock highlight. But, girl, we are blinding today. Again, I don't know if this would be necessarily worth $26 based on the packaging and stuff like that. But it is going to be nice. I have one of the ColourPop Super Shock highlights in more of a golden tone that I like to layer on, like underneath different gold highlights. But this might be nice to have as to layer underneath like more pinky highlights, things like that. So yeah, and you get 7 grams of product in here. And the last thing that I'm excited for is from Tarte. It's an eyeshadow palette called Be You Naturally. So let's try this out. Ooh, I like the packaging. It's pretty. Let's open it. So, I can't say I'm not surprised. This is the color scheme. For Tarte, this is kind of their go-to colors, like more neutral, golden, things like that. I'm not mad at it. I just have things similar to this in my collection. But let's swatch a couple of them. I'm going to do more of the shimmery shades and then a couple of the mattes, just to kind of see where we are at here. So those are some of the colors there. I think these three are the shimmers, and then these two are the mattes. So I don't know if you can see. Those are the swatches. I'm sorry, I'm not like a professional beauty guru, but they look okay. They don't look like the best swatches I've ever seen, but they're definitely not the worst. And I know like layered up with an eye primer or things like that might make them work a little better than just on their own. Again, this is not like, you know, something totally unique to my collection, but I mean, for Tarte, this is pretty much what you get a lot of the time, so I'm not like surprised, I guess. Anyway, that palette retails for $36, and it says it's got frosty cool pinks to rich bronze and brown tones, and it's supposed to be, you know, with the Amazonian clay formula, things like that. But I love the packaging too. So anyway, what do I think of this month's Boxycharm? I feel like this month definitely, with the theme of getaway and things like that, definitely gave me the vibes of like going on vacation, packing like very minimal summery makeup. You know, you've got your bronzy palette, you've got your jelly highlight that's just easy to slap on your face. A nice gloss, something for your pores to kind of just be, you know, tightened. And what else am I missing here? Why do I feel like I'm missing something? Oh, and the lip liner. So the lip liner to put underneath and then the gloss on top. I don't know. I feel like it's an okay box. I was more excited with last month's box, but I'm more of a, I don't know, like high maintenance makeup person. So maybe that's just me. Like, you know, I like a little more color than just this. I'm more of a powder fan, but I mean, I will say this highlighter was beautiful, but this is not something I would have just gone out of my way to pick up. Not really a gloss person, although I do feel like the gloss on top of this lipstick is beautiful. So yeah. Is it the best box ever? No. Is it a good box? Yes, because I do like that I got all makeup products and not like really skincare stuff at all. My lips are bleeding. Anyway, that's all I've got for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and let me know if you got anything different in your Boxycharm. Again, I will leave that link in the description so you can go and sign up or check out Boxycharm if you're interested. And until next time, I will talk to you guys soon. I hope you have a beautiful day. Bye.